To use the basic Fusion 360 templates, head on over to the Manage tab, scroll down to Template Library, My Templates Local, and click Import Library for the templates that you've downloaded from the site. These basic templates are distinct from our more automated template, but nevertheless make the CAM programming side of things much faster and much easier, especially for folks who are new to Fusion 360 and the CAD CAM machining workflow. To use these templates, you'll first need to create a new setup, select your work coordinate system, and then right-click on this setup and scroll down to Create from Template. These templates are set up according to the type of toolpath, and each template includes a specific tool, speed, feed, and all the cutting parameters that you typically have to configure when setting up CAM from scratch. I'll choose this adaptive roughing using this 6mm tool. And once I click on that, it is automatically loaded into the setup. I can then click Command G, and this toolpath will generate for this part. I can continue building out a collection of toolpaths, going back to the Create from Template, and let's say I want to clean up those walls and include a contour. Now, some of these will require some manual selections, contour in particular. You'll need to click on Edit and choose the part geometry, because these CAM templates are not looking at the model geometry and do require you as the programmer to select the geometry that you want to machine. So now after I've selected those walls that I want to machine along, I'm now getting something a lot closer to what I'm after. I can sort of continue along my way here, adding now a 3D toolpath. Again, some of these will require some boundary selections. Here I want to machine along this slope. And I'm doing this quickly as you sort of dial in the results that you are after as the designer of the part and the surface finishes and how quickly you want to get to machining. You'll continue to tweak some of these parameters. But nevertheless, here are 3 basic toolpaths that in a matter of a couple minutes we have programmed for this part. You could choose to export all of these together for your G-code file for the Bantam Tools milling machine, or you could post these individually.